Alright, here we go. Subterfuge Box Break number 441. This is the first prize. First place prize is a box of Enforcers. It was won by New Jersey Doublesman, a.k.a. Dwayne. Good luck, sir. Yeah, I get them in. Remind me when I'm done this task. So Dwayne, a couple cardboard on the back. Bloody Battles, Bobby Probert and Kelly Chase. Tales of the Tape, Dennis Bonvie and Rob Ray. 3,000 penalty minutes club, Rob Ray. We got tag teams. Calgary, Tim Hunter and Joel Otto. And Cruz and Langdon, Bloody Battles. We have a... Oh, nice. Oh, we got two combatants? No way. That's weird. Combatants, Andre Waugh and Chris Simon. Black version. This next card is pretty cool, so I'm going to save that till last. Has some value on it. Combatants Black, Ryan Vandenbush and Sean Brown. Autographs. Darren Langdon. Oh, wow. Dennis Vial. Oh, that one's cool. Dave Hansen. And I just sold this one for like $5. Chris Simon. And the last card is the Pugilistic Puck Stoppers. Ron Hextall, 2-color with puck marks on it. Black version. Nice puck marks, and it is orange and white. There is orange at the top, a little seam. So, there we go. Hope you enjoy that, Dwayne. And thank you, everybody. I'll see you next Tuesday.